everybody, it's Napalmic Acid, and today I will be doing an unboxing and test of this 1ByOne wireless Bluetooth keyboard. It says it works with Android, OS, tablet, PCs, pretty much anything that has Bluetooth on it. And unlike some of the other keyboards I have that have a USB dongle, this one is Bluetooth, so it connects via Bluetooth obviously. And I think it's 4.0. It is $22.99 on 1ByOne's Amazon page. And it came pretty quick as always. So let's go ahead and get into it here. Bad cutting job there, but it will work. Okay, and there it is. I have a piece of paper here. Looks to be a shipping label or something. Item number, maybe, who knows. And the keyboard itself here. Let's put all this out of the way. Okay, so here is the keyboard. Let's get a little bit of zoom in here. You can see it comes in a 1ByOne cardboard box. You can see the one there, Bluetooth keyboard, 1ByOne up there, and nothing on the sides really at all. There is a code there. So let's go ahead and get into it. It has two little things here, looks like. Let's just rip them off. There we go. And here is the keyboard. First look in the box, see if there's anything else in here. And it looks like there is nothing at all else in here. Okay, so here it is. You can see it looks pretty much like every other keyboard out there. You can see it says 1ByOne down there at the bottom. There is the touchpad, little overview there. And then let's look at the back here. There is a user manual, and it looks like it is metal on the back. So a very premium feel to it. So let's go ahead and get this wrapping off. Bluetooth 3.0, not 4.0, which is fine. So let's go ahead and get the rest of it out here. And here it is. So I thought I had a built-in battery, but now we know it is AAA batteries. Looks like they go in right here. Just pop them in there, and they don't come with any, so I'm going to go ahead and go grab those, and then we will continue. Okay, so here's a keyboard. I just put the batteries in it. You can see this is the button to turn the touchpad on and off. So if you don't want it in the way, just press that and it will stop it. The on and off button is up here at the top. See just right there. I'm going to flip it to the on position. And you can see there is a LED indicator showing that it is turned on, and it goes away after a little bit. So besides that, it's pretty self-explanatory how to use this. Just any keyboard, nothing special. There is the volume up and down right there. So to turn the Bluetooth on, you press FN and the Bluetooth button on the C at the same time. The only two blue buttons on there. So I'm going to press this and this. Just like that. And you can see there is a glowing Bluetooth symbol up at the top right there. So it is in pairing mode right now. And look for it right there. 1ByOne keyboard. So we will press it to connect. And it asks you to enter in a code, which it makes up each time on the keyboard to confirm it. So I'm going to type 9862 on it, 862, enter, and it accepted it, and it is connected right there. So let's go ahead and try to type something on the iPad here with the keyboard. Well, I accidentally pressed 1 there. So there it is. Pretty quick and easy to use there, as you can see. Go ahead and type one more thing there at the end. There it is. So it types pretty good, pretty crisp actually too for the size of this keyboard. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. We are going to try this on my laptop too, so we can test out the keypad. But there's quite a bit of travel room there underneath and into the keyboard that you can't really tell. Good travel distance on it. You can see it's turned on the iPad, did it? Or I don't know. Oh yeah, so whenever you start typing, I guess, iPad's turned off. Start pressing random keys and it opens it up and unlocks it, I guess. Not really sure how that works, but that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and test this out on the laptop so we can test the touchpad. Let's go ahead and go into Word here and type something on the computer. Okay, so it types pretty good on the computer too. Keypad works pretty good. Let's go ahead and try to right click with it here. So you get all your options in Word there, paste options, paste, stuff like that. You can left click it here and drag. See, the delete button works. Yeah, that's really all there is to see. I'm going to press the Windows button here. You can see it opens up with all my stuff. Press it again, it closes. So yeah, there it is, guys. This is the 1ByOne keyboard. It is $23 on their Amazon page, and it's built really good, actually. Really high quality, really nice. And yeah, I recommend it if you don't want to have to worry about a dongle or a wired keyboard. This is a great option to just keep around the house. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching.